In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick review of Tradovate, a trading platform that has been gaining popularity, especially among futures traders. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, there are some important things to know before diving in. Tradovate is a commission-free futures trading platform designed for speed and built entirely in the cloud, meaning you can access it from your desktop, tablet, or phone without needing to download anything. Traders like it for its clean, customizable interface and powerful tools without unnecessary clutter. Some of its biggest advantages include commission-free trading, though you'll still need to pay exchange and clearing fees. Eliminating commissions can save frequent traders a lot over time. Since it's cloud-based, the platform is fast, smooth, and lag-free, which is crucial for high-speed trading. You can also set up your own layouts with drag and drop modules and use the built-in charting tools and technical indicators at no extra cost. A standout feature is the market replay, which allows you to test strategies using historical data without risking real money. On the flip side, there are a few drawbacks. Tradovate is strictly a futures platform, so if you want to trade stocks or options, you'll need another broker. Futures trading also comes with a steep learning curve, which can be overwhelming for beginners. While there's a free tier, advanced features and discounted margins require a paid subscription, and some users find the fees higher compared to competitors. Overall, if you're focused solely on futures trading and want a platform that's fast, flexible, and commission free, Tradovate is one of the best choices available today. Just be mindful of the learning curve and its limitation to futures trading only. Thank you for watching this video.